Petra's treasury facade was carved directly into a sandstone cliff over 2,000 years ago. Mohenjo-Daro, an ancient Indus Valley city, had advanced sanitation and grid-like streets. Göbekli Tepe in Turkey is Earth's oldest known temple, built 6,000 years before Stonehenge. The city of Teotihuacan in Mexico features massive pyramids aligned with celestial events. Great Zimbabwe's impressive stone ruins were built without mortar by a powerful African kingdom. The precise purpose of Machu Picchu, the Inca citadel, still puzzles archaeologists today. There's an underwater monolith off Japan's Yonaguni Island, sparking theories of a lost city. The pillars of Baalbek in Lebanon weigh over 1,000 tons, moved by unknown ancient methods. Nazca lines in Peru are colossal geoglyphs, visible only from above, whose creators remain a mystery. El Dorado, the mythical city of gold, fueled centuries of dangerous expeditions in South America.